Ever since I got into the affiliate marketing and email marketing business, people have been saying email marketing is dead, it doesn't work anymore. And you can see behind me that I am living in a beautiful house right now. We're just about done with getting everything set up. It's been a long slog because of all the COVID stuff with supply chain issues. Things took longer to arrive than they should have, but we finally are in the home stretch of getting the house set up. I'm really excited to be able to show it to you. And it's all thanks to email marketing. And today, I just saw something that I think is going to explode my business because I think it's just super exciting stuff. And I think that's going to help you as well. I'm going to tell you all about it coming up in my review of Email Marketing on Fire. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can pull them successfully. Well, me and my buddy Raymond over here.
I'm Raymond Reddington.
Now, if you are new to the channel, and if you're not new, well, you know the drill by now. Go ahead and skip ahead. I won't even make a joke about my jokes being stale because that's stale also. Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? You might ask? Well, it's very, very simple. To make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Okay, seriously, dude, you're getting annoying. Okay, seriously, give it up. Nobody wants the crap. Nobody but you. Okay, so you keep it. Nobody else wants it. Seriously, give it a rest. Anyhow, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give it tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you so much, Liz. I mean, you see, I do love Liz. You know, she says the same thing every day, all the time. You'd think I'd be upset with her, but she was my fellow New Yorker for many, many years. And, you know, I'm now living in Pennsylvania, but I still have fond memories of New York. So, you know, what the hell? Anyhow, but seriously, if you are new, make sure you smash that subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so we're looking right now at the sales page for Email Marketing on Fire. Now, this is a new course from my friend Kevin Feige. Kevin is one of the biggest names in the industry. I want to show this to you. He has generated over $500,000 in sales as an affiliate. These are his affiliate numbers. And the reason that that's important, by the way, just so you understand, is because a lot of people will show you these eye-popping numbers where they have, you know, $100,000, $500,000, $1 million in sales. Those are more often than not going to be their vendor sales, which basically means that they gave a huge chunk of that money away to their affiliates. In this case, this is money he's actually netted, that's actually come into his personal pocket in exchange for having promoted products. He's gotten these kind of numbers for basically what he's been able to sell for other people. It's been really an incredible thing for him. And I can attest that I have seen big numbers, not quite as big as Kevin's, but I've seen big numbers also. And it's all thanks to affiliate marketing now and email marketing. Now, before we do get to take a look at the members area real quick, I want to tell you about my custom bonus because, as always, I have the best custom bonus that you're ever going to see. So first and foremost, I'm going to give away something I haven't given away in many, many years. It's my super secret hack that I've used to really be able to make a ton of money, even from a tiny, tiny list. Okay, my list is not big at all. I've actually been paring it down quite a little bit. I'm down to, I think, about 2,600 people now on my list that are like, you know, full-time activated. That's nothing, okay? That's a tiny, tiny, tiny list. Kevin, for example, probably has about 50,000 people on his list, just so you understand the difference. And yet I'm still able to make a ton of money. I make a full-time living, pay my bills from my business, even with a tiny list. This is the secret to my success, even when you don't have a lot of people on your list, okay? Even if you have only like 50 people, 100 people, This secret can help you to make real money. And it's super simple, but it's something that very few people know about. Okay. And I haven't given this away in years because frankly, it's really, really valuable, but I'm giving it away on this launch. Okay. I'm also giving away a couple other things that I can't believe I'm doing this. First and foremost, I'm going to give away 100 swipes. These are ready-made emails that you can customize for your own products that I personally use that made me tens of thousands of dollars. Plus, beyond these, I'm also going to give you something, two things actually, that really are just incredible. First and foremost, I'm going to give you another secret video course called One Tiny Change. Okay, this is something that I discovered that I made one tiny change in my emails. Literally the smallest possible change that you can make, and made the difference between landing in spam or landing in the inbox. All right, that's a huge thing. I'm going to give you that as well. Plus, on top of all of those, I'm also going to give you 30 courses that you can use for bonuses. So they're full PLR. These, I've rarely given these away. You're going to get them for free. Plus, on top of all of that, I'm doing something unprecedented. I am giving away free access to my Make Money Online newsletter. Okay, I have people who have been paying for this for years. They pay $9.95 a month. You're going to get it completely for free. There's a free trial. Try it out. You're going to have access to the entire thing, including all of the back issues. And if you like it, you can stick around and keep getting the new issues every single month. We put out a new issue every month. You don't like it, just cancel. Basically, it's a login to Warrior Plus. Click cancel, it takes 5 seconds, and you're done. And you can still, and anything you've downloaded, you get to keep. And it's packed with useful information. This is not cheap junk, like, oh yeah, a newsletter, like, one page. No, this is like a 30-page professionally designed newsletter with interviews with top industry executives that are really going to help you to build a real business online. It's really one of the best things you're ever going to see. And you're going to get it completely for free from me. Pick up any upgrade. I'm going to give you 190 courses that I pretty much have never given away. All right. And the whole thing, by the way, is going to cost you $16.95. That's really incredible. Just going to check out the members area real quick so you can see what it's like. So you can see it's basically just going to be a basic members area with the videos and whatnot, and teach you how to do things. There is a done for you aspect as well to this thing. We're going to get certain content completely done for you for free, but he's going to teach you how to build an email list, how to make it really pop, and it's really going to help you tremendously to grab this thing. So let's see if I'm going to give the tip man to Procurator or not.
The man! You're the man! You're the man!
Yeah, seriously, you demand. I really do like this thing a lot. I think it's awesome. Grab this, you're going to love it.